Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to subscript and superscript in OneNote. This is especially useful when you're working with mathematical equations, chemical formulas, or any content that requires these formatting styles. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you click on the app, it should take you directly to your workspace where all your notebooks are stored. Select the notebook you want to work with and let it load completely. Depending on the size of your notebook and your internet connection, this might take a moment, so give it a few seconds to fully open before moving forward. Now that your notebook is loaded, we can dive into the actual process of adding subscripts and superscripts. The good news is that this is quite straightforward in OneNote, especially when you're working with mathematical notations or scientific formulas. Navigate to the specific page within your notebook where you want to display a subscript or superscript. This could be a notes page for a chemistry class, a math assignment, or any document where you need this formatting. Once you're on the right page, the next step is to highlight the character you want to format. This could be a number or a letter that needs to appear either below or above the baseline of your text. Simply click and drag your cursor over the character to select it. Make sure you've highlighted only the character you want to format, as this will ensure precision in your formatting. With your character highlighted, look toward the top part of your screen and click on the Home tab. This tab is part of OneNote's main ribbon interface and contains most of the formatting tools you'll need for everyday editing. The Home tab should be easily visible and accessible from any page you're working on. From here, you'll see the Superscript menu. It's represented by an icon that shows an X with a small superscript 2 next to it. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you two options, subscript or superscript. Subscript will position your character slightly below the baseline, which is perfect for things like chemical formulas such as H subscript 2O. Superscript will raise your character above the baseline, ideal for exponents like X superscript 2 in mathematical equations. Simply choose the formatting option you need by clicking on it. Your highlighted character will immediately transform to reflect your choice, appearing either below or above the baseline, depending on what you selected. This formatting is applied instantly, so you can see the result right away and continue working on your document without any delays. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to apply subscripts and superscripts in OneNote, making your notes more professional and accurate for scientific and mathematical content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.